A big thanks to Moesta for sponsoring this video.
What if I told you there's a better way to eat your steak? I've been cooking a lot of steaks, and I mean a lot of steaks. But it dawned on me that there might be a better way to eat steak. And that is a big deal, because this is going to change the way you eat steak forever. And to do that, of course, first you're gonna need a beautiful steak. And I have a beautiful steak. And I do mean a beautiful steak, because this is a flank steak that I personally cut out of a Black Angus cow and put in my freezer until the time is here to cook it. Now next to this steak, we're also gonna need a barbecue. So I've got my Moesta Bandit. And to fire it up, I'm gonna put a couple of fire starters on the charcoal grate, light it up. Then I'm gonna put in a couple of logs of birchwood, and I'm gonna leave the bark on so it's gonna ignite easily. Now my barbecue is nice and hot. You can see that the cast iron is perfectly burned in. We got it nice and greased up, and it's time to start grilling the steak. I'm gonna portion my flank steak so it fits the grill. Yes, I'm gonna cut it with the grain. This is absolutely perfect. Time to put these on the grill and get a beautiful crust on. Once they build up a beautiful crust just like this, it's time to give them a flip. Now that my steaks are getting their final sear, I'm going to put my cast iron pan on this hot zone right here over the beautiful embers burning. And I'm going to load it up with chili oil. Now we're getting to the exciting part, because I'm going to tell you exactly my plan. There is a Dutch ancient way of eating fries, where you have a bag loaded up with fries, dump on a load of mayonnaise, and then eat it out of the bag. And I thought, what if we use this ancient Dutch technique to eat steak? So here's what I came up with. A tortilla leaf. Make an incision, roll it up until the two ends meet again, stick in a toothpick, and then fry it in the chili oil. I want to get this cone as crispy as I can, so I'm going to give it some time, slowly let it roll around while the oil is heating up, and I'm getting a crunchy outside. My steak is done, and we're going to put it on the board and let it rest. Now look at that beautiful cone. It's still a little fragile, so I'm going to give it some time to cool down, and then it firms up. And now let's turn these steaks into steak strips that looks like French fries. Of course, you got to slice them against the grain. Morrison. Of course, they're going to need a little seasoning, and salt and pepper is going to do the magic trick. Now mix it up and your fries are done. These are beer can holders in which I'm going to place my cones. Does it need explanation that this beer can holders for chicken beer cans? Not that I'm a slightly crazy alcoholic that makes French fries out of steaks. And now we're getting to the good part. We're going to load up the cones with the steaks. Now it's time to load up these fries. I got 3 styles of topping, and this is very easy to make. All you need to do is take a pan, let butter melt, add parsley, add garlic, let it fry a little bit, let it cool down again, and then just drizzle it on. And this is my chili cheese topping. Super easy to make, very, very tasty. Just take some cream cheese, chop up some pickled jalapenos, add shredded cheddar, mix it up, and just put it on that cone. This stuff looks amazing. And if you want to add a little bit more show effect, just let that cheese melt. And the last topping is going to be an homage to the Dutch fries. Our puntzakje. There we go. A little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of curry sauce, and some fine diced onions. And that's called patatje speciaal.
Oh yeah.
This is like the only chance, if you have your own bucket, you can double dip. That's the best part.
This is the new best party snack.
Is it good?
Try one.
Mayonnaise, curry, onion.
I mean, the Dutch classic works with everything.
Oh, steak speciaal. Steakje speciaal. This could be a thing.
You should try one.
Oh, this stuff is so good.
Oh yeah. That really works, right?
Try my chili cheese.
Oh,
Try
yeah.
my chili cheese. Oh, come on. Not like that.
That's just my trick to get another one.
Yeah.
I'll just...
You're cheating. Morrison, chili cheese? Oh, definitely.
Oh,
Always the same.
oh yeah.
Ah. You guys,
I mean, do you need some more?
we gotta have some for Eva.
We gotta try this one too.
There we go. Hop, look at this. Awesome party trick to eat your steak in a different way. So much fun to do. These things are absolutely insane. Let's do the crunch test. Crunchy, spicy from the chili oil. Really, really tasty.
Oh yeah.
So I recommend you give this a try. The recipe is on our website, PitmasterX.com. The link is down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a big thumbs up in the comment down below. And big thank you. It's the chili.
It's the chili, right? It's getting to you.
Yeah, but you don't know why you start to stutter, but then you think like, oh,
Chili.
oh, it's getting spicy. And I don't know if my face is turning red,
I don't know either.
but it's pretty sharp. Big thanks to the YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eetsmakelijk.
and keep on.
Grilling.
Yeah, and doing
keep
like
on
cool
making
things.
these.
Yeah.
And keep on clicking this video right here.
Oh man, this is good.
I'm eating all of
Imagine
this.
being able to buy this at a fair or something.
Oh yeah.